Have you just started using Excel but aren't sure how to get around? Or maybe you see your colleagues creating beautiful tables and wonder, how do they do that? Well, in this video I'll explain the basics of how to navigate Excel's interface and how to format a table so you can immediately create useful documents in a quick and simple way. My name is Andrea and I'm part of the Thularis team. If you don't know us yet, Thularis is a digital lab created with the specific goal of teaching you about project management tools such as Microsoft Office and similar software, and much more. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you'll always stay updated on the latest content. Quick note: I use Excel in English for two reasons. The first is simply because that's how I use it. The second is because I believe it's better to learn Excel in English so you'll be more versatile at work. Sometimes the program in a company is set in English rather than Italian, so you'll already feel comfortable if you find yourself in that situation. You can, of course, change Excel to the language you prefer by going to File Options Language. Here you can choose the language, add one if it's not already installed on your PC, and the program will download it from the internet. To set the language as the default one, just select it in the top box and click Set as Preferred. Excel will need to restart, and after that, it will be in the selected language, as we mentioned in the Excel introduction video. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you do. You can find the link at the top right. Excel is made of rows numbered sequentially from 1 up to over 1 million, so we have plenty of them, and columns, which are just under 17,000, labeled with letters. When we reach the letter Z, the sequence continues by doubling the letters. After Z comes AA, then AB, AC, and so on. When we reach Z again, the first letter changes to B, so we have BA, then BB, and so forth. This sequence allows you to have a very large number of columns to write in, but it's not advisable to fill the file with too much information, as it could become unmanageable. To insert information, simply click on an empty cell, that is, one of the white rectangles that make up the table where we want to enter data. When selected, the cell will be outlined in green, and you can just type whatever you want using the keyboard. You can do the same for the following cells. For example, let's say I want to create a table where the first row contains headers, and the second, third, and fourth rows contain data to share with some colleagues. First tip: to quickly move from one cell to the next along a row, instead of clicking with the mouse you can press the Tab key, the one you see now on the screen. Second tip: to type a capital letter, press the Shift key, shown on screen, before typing the letter. As you can see, we've already created a very simple table with some data in it. In the next video, we'll look at how to manage the font and its key settings to make our table more effective and visually clear. If you're interested in learning more, check the link to the next video at the top right. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave a comment, and we'll try to answer any questions you might have. And if you have any topic suggestions or ideas, let us know. We'd be happy to consider making a new video about it.